How to start your Windows laptop without the power button. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and here I'll show you how to start your Windows laptop even if the power button isn't working, whether it's due to a malfunction or just you want to know an alternative. So I have got you covered. Let's dive in. You can use the keyboard to power on your laptop. Restart your laptop and enter the BIOS settings by pressing F2, F1 or the delete key during startup. It depends on your laptop model as well. In the BIOS, navigate to Power Management setting and look for an option like Power On by Keyboard. Enable this setting and save your changes by pressing F10. After this, you can turn on your laptop by pressing any key on your keyboard. If your laptop's built-in keyboard isn't working, connect an external USB keyboard. Ensure the external keyboard is properly connected. Many external keyboards come with a power button or can be configured to turn on your laptop. And by following this step, you can start your Windows laptop without the power button. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.